last time we talked, we were
Oh, I've
talking
got
about yeah, no, you got what? I mean, I'm like, I'm still really burned up. Like, I just finished listening to a press conference of Mayor Brandon. I know you don't live in Chicago anymore with your beautiful suburban life. And I must have heard the word process like 100 times and the word trust and just these random kind of like, and he was talking about he was talking about the migrant challenge and this a contract that's going to be expiring with the police department and people were like, asking questions like, what happened to the $75 million? He's like, I never said anything about 75 million. I don't know, it's just I just feel like when I look at his press conferences compared to previous mayors, I don't feel like he's saying anything. Like nothing is being like he's just using a lot of buzzwords. And then here's the other thing that I thought was really bizarre about Mayor Brandon's press conference. And I don't listen to all of his press conferences, but he has a cadence to his speech. And I don't know about you, but I like listening without looking at a picture. Like I like listening to people talk and close my eyes or turn off the camera just to kind of I get more information from what someone's saying than what they're doing with their body.
Mhm.
And like he has this like you can tell when he's confident about what he's saying, you can tell when he's not. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
Like he was sometimes slow and plotting or uncertain maybe, and then other times he would like roll into like this amazing speech or amazing talk, and I could tell that when he was energized around a conversation it was more of a buzzy conversation than a substantive one. Like he was
Mhm.
just feeding into what people want to hear, what he thinks they want to hear. It sounded more like an election campaign versus real information. The people in the audience, the press journalists, were frustrated, you could tell. And I don't know, like, I still feel like, and when I go out into the world, like, so I just came back from the Sundance Film Festival, right? And I was shocked that people knew about Mayor Johnson. And some people expressed disappointment that Mayor Lori Lightfoot was still not mayor.